When you hear the word Hummer, you immediately picture a 9,000-pound brick of American excess, obliterating everything in its path purely through the magic of gravity. But this new Hummer X concept proves that someone at GM finally woke up to a harsh reality. Being the biggest guy in the room isn't actually the best way to go off-roading, and the closer you look at this thing, the wilder the story gets. Just look at the current GMC Hummer EV rolling out of your local Starbucks drive-thru. It is a literal slap in the face to the laws of physics. We are talking about a vehicle the size of a Manhattan studio apartment, weighing so much that it makes some full-size pickup trucks look lightweight, and using up to 1,000 horsepower just to desperately claw at the illusion of being a sports car. It is a wildly expensive flex, a way for GM to prove they could build an EV, not necessarily the most practical trail machine, because anyone who actually goes off-road knows that dragging a 4-ton behemoth down a tight dirt trail can quickly become an exercise in stress management. And that is exactly why these two Hummer X concepts, both an SUV and a pickup, have showed up looking like middleweight fighters. They are smaller, they're leaner, and they look genuinely ready to squeeze through the kind of terrain that would make their giant older brother nervous. Right now, the internet is obsessing over the suspension setup on this thing, which makes sense, sure, but if that was all it had, it wouldn't deserve the Hummer badge. On paper, the Hummer X is armed to the teeth like a doomsday prepper. You have massive 35 to 37-inch Goodyear tires, those legendary Multimatic dampers, and underbody protection so tightly sealed you couldn't slide a smartphone through it. But here's the thing. You can bolt big tires and fancy shocks onto almost any truck. The real party trick here, the thing that makes this vehicle an absolute freak, is the Hummer Hub and its built-in reconnaissance drone. Picture this. You're stuck deep in the woods on a muddy trail staring down a blind corner or a terrifyingly steep drop. Usually, you'd have to climb out, get your boots dirty, and scout the trail yourself. Well, forget that. Now you just sit in the air conditioning, press a button, and a literal drone launches from the roof. It flies ahead, scouts the trail, streams live video directly to your center screen, and then autonomously returns to the vehicle. Off-roading has never been this lazy, and yet somehow never this smart. But honestly, that little flying drone is just shiny bait for the media. The real story here, the thing that could completely rewrite how the auto industry builds vehicles, is hidden right in its skeleton. Let us talk about FlexFab. The Hummer X concept is not being imagined around the traditional idea of massive steel presses stamping out identical parts all day long. GM is experimenting with advanced manufacturing techniques, including modular construction and large-scale metal additive manufacturing. You heard that correctly. They are exploring ways to build vehicles more like configurable platforms than fixed products. Instead of committing hundreds of millions of dollars to dedicated tooling for a single chassis design, future manufacturing systems could allow automakers to adapt much more quickly to changing customer demand. Need a rugged SUV today? Adjust the design. Need a pickup with a different cargo configuration tomorrow? Update the engineering model and keep moving. This is not just a fun fact about the Hummer X, it's a glimpse into how legacy automakers are trying to survive the EV era, reducing development costs, accelerating design cycles, and creating platforms that can evolve much faster than traditional vehicles. And they brought that same modular mindset straight into the cabin. Unlike modern luxury SUVs that desperately try to bury you under mountains of leather, wood trim, and decorative stitching, the Hummer X interior looks more like a highly functional expedition command center. A stacked center display automatically prioritizes information based on the terrain around you, helping drivers focus on what actually matters while navigating difficult conditions. But the most interesting detail is the extensive use of modular attachment points throughout the cabin. What does that mean? It means the vehicle is designed with customization in mind from day one. The design strongly suggests a future where owners could create, swap, and personalize accessories without redesigning the entire interior. It is a surprisingly smart way to encourage enthusiast engagement instead of locking everything into a rigid, factory-defined setup. GM is not simply designing a cabin, they are experimenting with a modular ecosystem. There is a massive shift happening in how America thinks about off-road EVs. Look, the GMC Hummer X concept is, for now, just a flex. It is a technology showcase created to celebrate GM's new California Advanced Design Studio. You cannot walk into a dealership tomorrow and trade your Chevy Tahoe for one. But it is a giant flashing sign pointing to where the market may be heading. The era of off-road EVs competing purely on battery size and brute force may not last forever. More buyers are starting to realize that hauling unnecessary weight into challenging terrain is not always the smartest solution. The future could be about intelligence rather than sheer mass. Flexible manufacturing, drone-assisted trail scouting, modular vehicle architecture, customizable interiors. GM is exploring a future where Hummer gets smaller, lighter, and significantly smarter. And if that future becomes reality, the competition may have a lot more to worry about than just another electric SUV.